Welcome to It's Rafiq. In this video I am going to explain about programming statement in QBasic 64, Chapter 6, Class 7 Computer Science. You already learned about basic statement of QBasic in Class 6. Here you will know about loops. Loops means repetition. When we want to repeat same thing again and again and again, then we can use loops. For example, suppose I have to write numbers from 1 to 100. Then in a program we'll not write 100 times. In place of that we can use loop. Sometimes there are need to be repeat a set of statements more than once based on a certain condition. The process of repeating same statement for several times in a program is called loop or iteration. There are different types of loop that support in QBasic 64. They are for next, do while loop, do until loop, while, W and. For next. For next loop is used when you want to perform an action for a specific number of times. It uses a counter variable which is incremented or decremented with each repetition of the loop. Syntax of for next: for counter variable, start value, to end value, step value, statement 1, statement 2, next counter variable. Suppose I want to display number from 1 to 10. Then we have to write for counter equal 1 to 10, step 1. Then print counter, next counter. Explanation of the syntax of for loop. The for statement is the beginning of the for loop. The start value is the initial value of counter variable, means from which number we want to start the loop, that is defined by the start value. For example, for counter equal 1, that 1 is the start value. When the counter variable reached the end value, the loop must exit. The step value is amount by which counter variable will change. The step value can be 1, 2, 3 or any number. It can be a positive number or it can be a negative number. When we want to increment or increase the value, then it should be a positive number. When we want to decrease the value, then it can be a negative number. Suppose we put the counter as 2, like we have defined as for counter equal 1 to 10, step 2, print counter. Then the output will be like that: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Means each time the value of counter will be increment by 2. And if we write in place of a positive number a minus number or negative number, then each time the value of counter variable will be decrement by that number. The next statement is the end of the loop. Note: the step value is not, if the step value is not specified in the loop, by default it is set as 1. If you forget to write the step value, then the computer or the compiler will take it as a 1. The value can be positive when you want to increase the value, and the value can be negative when you want to decrease the value. A simple program: write a QBasic 64 program to print the multiple of 4 from 0 to 40. Solution: CLS. I think you already know what this line do. it will clear the screen, means it will clear all the previous output from the screen. 4. I equals 0 to 40, step 4. Here the initial value is 4 and it will execute till 40, and each time the value of I will be increment by 4. Print I, next I. So if we run the program, we'll get this output: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Do while loop. A do while loop is performed as long as the condition is true. It means within the do while loop will be repeated till the within the do while loop. It will be repeated till the condition is true. Do while loop ends with loop statement. Syntax of do while loop: do while test condition, statement 1, statement 2 and loop. Note, when the step value is missing in do while loop, then it results an infinite loop. Infinity loop means it never finish. It will continue for an unlimited number of times. A simple program: write a QBasic 64 program to print numbers from 10 to 1 in reverse order. Solution: CLS counter equal 10. Because we want to start the number from 10, that's why I am wrote the starting value as 10. Do while counter greater than equal 1. Print counter equal counter minus 1. Each time I am decreasing the value of counter by 1. Means first time it will be 10, next time it will be 9, then 7, and then 8, 7, like that it will go on. Like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. After 1 it will stop, because our condition is the program should run till the value is greater than equal to 1. Do until loop. Do until loop is similar to do while loop. The only difference is do until loop executed until the condition reaches rather than met. In other words, execute the statement if the condition is false and exit if the condition is true. In do while loop, the condition must be true, then only the loop run or execute. But in do until loop, the condition must be false, then it will execute, and when the condition will be true, it will exit or stop. Syntax: do until test condition, statement 1, statement 2. Let's have a program of do until. Write a QBasic program to print the numbers from 1 to 10 in ascending order. Solution: CLS counter equal 1, while counter less than 10, print counter equal counter plus 1. So output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next, while W end. While end loop execute a series of statements as long as the condition is true. Syntax is while test condition, statement 1, statement 2, W end. A program: write a QBasic program to print multiple of 5 from 10 to 50. Solution: CLS number equal 5, while number less than equal 50, print number number equal number plus 5, W and the output will be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Exit command. Exit command is used to come out of a loop before expected number of execution. The command is used within a loop statement. The exit command mainly used, suppose I want to display a series of number from 1 to 100, but before 100 only I want to come out from the loop, then that exit command is used. For example, suppose I have to write a program to print the numbers from 1 to 10, but I have to exit from the loop when I will reach 5. So program will be like that: CLS for I equal 1 to 10, step 1, means the initial value of I is 1 and it will go till 10, and each time the value of I will be incremented by 1. Print I. If I equal 5, then exit 4, means when the value of I will reach 5, it will exit from the for loop. Then next I. So in this lesson or in this video you are learned about loop. Loop means repetition of same statement for multiple times. You have learned that there are different type of loop: for loop, do while loop, do until, and while W end. A loop which run for infinity time or infinite time is called infinity loop. For loop contain different parts like counter variable, start value, end value, and counter step value. The exit command in loop is used to come out from the loop before it meets the condition. And in do while loop, it run till the condition is true, and do until loop run till the condition is false. When the condition is true, it stop. So for today's video, this much only. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.